Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the word miscarriage and also the phrase a miscarriage of justice. Now the two things are completely different. Firstly, a miscarriage is when a pregnancy terminates spontaneously. It's not induced, it just suddenly happens. It's the spontaneous termination of a pregnancy before the baby is viable. The spontaneous loss of a pregnancy. That's what it is. For example, amniocentesis. This is a test where they carry out tests on a baby. Well, this carries various risks of miscarriage. So, a miscarriage. Unfortunately, the baby miscarried. The wife had a miscarriage. Okay, so a miscarriage, spontaneous expulsion of the human fetus, especially between weeks 12 and 28. Okay, so a miscarriage is where a pregnant woman, the baby comes and it's born before it's properly formed, and the baby dies, and this is a miscarriage. Then we have a miscarriage of justice. A miscarriage of justice is a wrong decision made by a court, as a result of which an innocent person is punished. So the greatest miscarriage of justice possible is where an innocent person is executed. Yeah. So a miscarriage of justice. There always have been miscarriages of justice, and I guess there always will be. So a miscarriage of justice is an error made in a court that results in an innocent person being punished, or a guilty person being set free. So the conviction was considered to be a miscarriage of justice. Now, you can use this word miscarriage to talk about mismanagement or bad administration. So, miscarriage of the enterprise, miscarriage of the company, sent it into bankruptcy. But I think mismanagement would be a better word for that. And then a failure of the administration, a failure of the management, is our miscarriage of justice. So a miscarriage of justice, a situation in which somebody is punished by the law courts for a crime they have not committed. And many people oppose the death penalty because of the possibility of miscarriages of justice. And every year there are cases of miscarriages of justice where people have been in prison for various periods of time, and these result to have been miscarriages of justice. A situation in which someone is punished in a court for a crime they haven't committed. You could have a grave miscarriage of justice, a gross miscarriage of justice, a serious miscarriage of justice. Okay, so you could add those adjectives to it as well. So a miscarriage, the spontaneous loss of a pregnancy. This is not something that's induced. It's what they call a spontaneous abortion, but not an induced one. And then a miscarriage of justice, an unsuccessful outcome of something planned. I guess you could have a miscarriage of a project as well, but I think miscarriage of justice, where justice didn't work. Okay, so miscarriage, formality. I think so. His wife had had 2 miscarriages. 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. There was a miscarriage of justice. 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing, and then as to origin, a miscarriage, a carriage, the thing that you use to carry somebody from one place to another, the act of conveying, so to go to the wrong place. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A miscarriage of justice.